The High Growth Mega Mission 2014 was the largest British mission that's ever come to Central and Eastern Europe. Over 60 British companies, led by Lord Livingston, UK Minister for Trade and Investment, came to Krakow, Brno, Prague, Bratislava and Budapest in search of business opportunities.
The message we've been trying to send through this mission is that Britain is back in this region and Britain is ready for business and plans to do business here.
It's a really clear sign that the UK wants to be doing more with the Slovak market, more with the regional market, and it's mainly about building the connections between British companies, Slovak companies, so they can actually spot the market opportunities.
In 2013, Poland, the Czech Republic, Slovakia and Hungary comprise an import market of over £500 billion. Yet the UK exports products and services worth less than 3% of that amount.
I think it's also the case that companies over here maybe don't know enough about what the UK can offer them. We're not just in this business promoting trade for our benefit. We also believe that the UK as a commercial partner can make Czech companies and Polish companies and Hungarian companies much more competitive and can therefore benefit the economies of Central and Eastern Europe.
British companies that entered the market years ago have shown significant growth over the years and have a lot of experience to share.
CBRE are a real estate services company that serve developers, investors and occupiers. The business in the last 3 years has grown by almost 150% since the crisis years of 2009. More and more investors are coming in. They need to have real estate services.
We had a choice as to where to set up internationally. We needed to be more competitive, but we're producing things for trains, for aircraft. We need top quality product. So looking at the skill base, looking at the engineering base, that was key. The quality that we have achieved out of our Czech market, the manufacturing quality, has been absolutely superb.
Strategically, geographically, Poland is well placed for future expansion. Our expansion has only just started this last 3 years, but we have a 10, 15 and 20-year view. If you can imagine how this part of the world is going to develop over that period of time, you can imagine that now is exactly the right time to be in Poland, to start your business and be well positioned for the growth that's going to come in the next 2 decades.
Coś, co charakteryzuje bardzo mocno ten rynek, to jest cena. To jest rynek, który jest na takim etapie rozwoju, w którym cena odgrywa bardzo ważną rolę. Zaraz za tym idzie jakość, czyli nie bardzo, powiedzmy, klient chce się godzić z kompromisem, że za niższą cenę chce mieć gorszy produkt. Na to też trzeba bardzo mocno zwracać uwagę.
The aim of the mega mission was not only to show British companies what the business opportunities are, but also give them a chance to meet prospective partners.
We wanted to introduce as quickly as possible the 65 British companies that have come to Poland to potential partners. So that could have been a distributor, that could be a member of UK Trade and Investment, that could be a member of the British-Polish Chamber of Commerce trade team. What we want to do is get down to concrete business as quickly as possible to enable the companies to sell their products in Poland, which is the leading market in Central Europe.
This has been very much a fact-finding mission, if I can call it that, for me. We know nothing about the Czech Republic, apart from the fact that a lot of international pharmaceutical companies use it as a manufacturing base. We need to go back and evaluate the data that I've picked up from this mission.
I've been introduced to some really good contacts who seem extremely helpful and are going to really give me a lot of assistance in taking those next steps and introducing me to the right people to make the next steps in the business. Of course, any trip with the UKTI is better than coming on your own anyway, because you have the support and the introductions to people that you wouldn't get if you try to make the trip individually.
The fact that we've come here and it's very encouraging leads us to believe we are looking in the right direction with regards to expanding our company, and this seems to be a very good hub for this part of Europe.
Do you see business opportunities for your company in Central and Eastern Europe? Would you like to learn more about the market potential and prospects for your sector? Contact UK Trade and Investment for details.